Okay, so here's the thing. If you've ever frozen up when someone asked you to talk about yourself, you're not alone. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to nail that question every single time, whether it's a new job, a new class, or just meeting someone new. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say it, and how to make people actually want to keep talking to you.
Yeah, and honestly, most people overthink this so hard. Like you panic, you ramble, or you go completely blank. We're gonna fix that today.
Exactly. So let's jump in. How about you go first?
Me? Okay, so where do I even start?
Just start simple. What's your name?
All right, my name's Hassan.
Nice to meet you, Hassan. I'm Fatma.
Nice to meet you too. So where are you from?
I'm originally from Toronto, Canada.
Oh, Canada. I'm from the States, Michigan, actually.
Nice. Do you live in a big city or more like a smaller town?
I'm in a smaller town now. It's quiet, which I like. What about you?
Total opposite. I'm in a big city. Busy, loud, but I love the energy.
Small town, big city. Totally different vibes.
Right? And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. Small house, but it's got a little garden.
Oh, I love that. I'm in an apartment. It's small, but it works.
Okay, what's next? How about age?
I'm 25.
I'm 28. And now the big one. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Perfect. I'm actually a student right now.
Oh, really? What are you studying?
Art. I love drawing and painting.
That's so cool. Do you actually enjoy it?
I love it. It's super fun and creative. What about teaching?
I really do. It's challenging but rewarding.
Totally. Let's talk family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I've got one brother. His name's Tom. He's older, 29.
Oh, just 1 year older than me. I have a younger sister. Her name's Sarah.
That's a pretty name. What does she do?
She's a music student, plays piano.
Wow, that's awesome. So your family's pretty creative.
Yeah, actually. My mom's a writer and my dad's a doctor.
Okay, so you've got a super accomplished family. My mom's a teacher too. She works with little kids. And my dad's a chef.
Wait, a chef? Does he cook for you at home?
Oh, yeah, the food's always incredible.
Okay, I'm jealous.
All right, let's switch gears. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name's Max. He's super friendly and kind of goofy.
Aw, Max. I actually have a cat.
Oh, so we're opposites again. Dog person, cat person.
Exactly. Her name's Luna. She's black and white, super quiet, and honestly just sleeps all day.
That sounds like a cat. Living the dream. Okay, let's talk favorites. What's your favorite food?
Pasta, hands down. What about you?
Probably pizza. Veggie pizza. Tomatoes, peppers, onions.
Nice. I'm more of a pepperoni person. Favorite color?
Green, like nature, trees, grass.
Blue, like the sky. What about hobbies?
I paint a lot, and I read, mostly adventure books.
Adventure books, nice. I'm big on music. I listen to a lot of old rock, and I play soccer on Saturdays.
Okay, so you're active. Do you watch movies?
Yeah, I love comedies and animated movies too.
Same. Okay, last thing. What's something you don't like?
I don't like olives.
Wait, really? I actually like olives. I don't like spicy food, though.
Like, really spicy? Yeah, I get that. Oh, and I hate waking up early.
Are you not a morning person?
Not even close. I love my sleep.
I feel that. Okay, so here's the thing. You don't have to say all of this at once.
Right, you can pick and choose. Like, hi, I'm Hassan. I'm a student. I love art, but I hate mornings.
Perfect. It's all about the situation.
Exactly. And honestly, it's not a scary question. It's just an invitation to share a little about yourself.
I love that. All right, before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and hit that like button.
And share it with anyone learning English. Also, go to the comments and tell us about yourself. 1 or 2 sentences. We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, seriously, we'll read them. All right, thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, Fatma. Bye, everyone.